Elex, and today I'm going to be setting up a trellis. Bamboo sticks, a trellis made of wood, and some of these that I use to wrap around and pull tightly. Let's get to work. Now, first, before we do any of this, we're going to get the bamboo sticks. We're going to untie them. We're going to get each stick, and we're just going to quickly stick it like that. Do this with each one. Stick them right in. Now that that's all done, we're going to extend it like that. Like that. It's going to cover all this up with cucumber vines, and it's easier to harvest. Just get it like this. And go at the very top right here.